We've all heard of Trustpilot, right? Well, last week I told you that Agentproof was Trustpilot built for AI agents. So let me show you what we built this week and walk you through a live demo. So this week we deployed an agent to the Arena social trading platform. We called it Probably Safe, and the idea being that you post it your wallet and it shows you what a bad actor could do. So here you can see I posted my wallet address and it found 2 unlimited approvals, meaning it could drain both my USDC and my WaveAx. Scroll down, it says, would you like me to calculate a risk score or show a simulation of what a bad actor could do? So what could a bad actor do to my wallet? It took it 6 seconds to empty my wallet, and after 8 seconds it carried on talking as though nothing had ever happened. The next morning we deployed another agent to the arena, this time called Yield Maxer. The idea being that he poses as a yield maximizer, yield optimizer, but actually he's just a bad agent. So here you can see he calls out Probably Safe, and instead of just saying yes, Probably Safe calls an agent-proof trust check. Turns out that the yield maxer actually just wants to drain your wallet. They reached out to integrate. Their layer consumes our trust scores to seed tiers, and we get runtime behavioral signals back to enrich our on-chain evaluations. Both products get stronger, and neither of us have to build what the other already has. And then there's the conversation with Garrett Droege. He was just appointed to the WTW FinTech Digital Assets Leadership Team. He told us the coverage gap we identified is real. His words, this will be headline loss within 24 months. He's taken our data set to underwriters to gauge appetite for agent risk insurance. And we've shipped 2 new features this week. Firstly, we have the max exposure. For every agent on the platform, we now calculate the recommended maximum value you should trust that agent to handle. This is based on your composite score, feedback, volume, account age, and insurance position. It's a credit limit, but for AI agents. And the insurance layer is also live. Agents are insurable against their tier. Platinum agents get coverage up to $10,000. The insurance pool prices premiums against their score. It's the same model Moody's uses for credit risk, except our underwriter updates every 5 minutes as the Oracle reevaluates. 9 signals, Bayesian smoothing, Sybil detection, REST, Google A2A, Anthropic MCP, 1 call before any agent touches anything. We're presenting at the ERC 8004 launch event on March 17th. That's the team that published the standard in front of the entire builder community that's building on top of it. We're raising to accelerate Oracle infrastructure, SDK distribution, and the insurance layer. The trust layer for the agent economy needs to exist. We built it.